So this is Miss Ham. We'll go over number 1. What is the equation in vertex form of a parabola with a vertex of 2, -1 that passes through 4, 1? So what does it mean? So let's look at this. So we have vertex form, and vertex is 2, -1 and passes through 4, 1. Well, let's see. So vertex means this H and K, right? So I can change this as H and then K. So I will substitute the equation that we want to find right here. H is 2, and then K means, it says it's given, right? -1. So our goal is to find the A. So we'll not know this A. And here, another condition is given. So it says passes through 4 and 1. What is 4 and 1? This means X and Y. This is a point, right? This is a point. So it means when the parabola is like this point is one of, I don't know where, but it's on the parabola, right? So when we plug in this X and Y here, it should work. So we'll do like this. So Y is, we don't know A yet. We'll put this 4 and then 1 right here. Then how do I write it? 1, we don't know A yet. 4. Rest of it I wrote it from the top. We just found H and K and substitute, right? Because that's given. So let's see. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 8 times 2 squared minus 1 is 1. So I will add 1 each side. So it will be gone. So here 8 times 2 squared is 2 times 2. So it's 4 is 2. So I will do multiply 1 over 4. So it will be A is, because this is, so A is 1 over 2. So here right on top, I'll change this. This will be the answer. We just found half, right? So I plug in right here. Okay? So this is the answer. Number 2. So write the function in vertex form. So here I rewrote here. So this is, the first line is given, and the second line is what we are looking for. So let's see. First of all, standard quadratic function is ax squared bx plus c. So I will compare this. Here, a is 2, b is -6, c is 4. Okay, so I will make some room and I will erase this. So let's go find h first. H is -b over 2a. So -2, a is right here, b is right here. Okay, so Negative negative will make a plus, and 2 times 2 is 4, and top is 6, right? Well, we can even more simplify. 2 times 3, 2 times 2. So that is 3 over 2. So h is 3 over 2. So I will change this right here. 3 over 2. And we know a, right? It says right here, 2. It says 2. Yes. And then now we need to just find k. How do we find k? Anybody remember? I trust you remember, and I will go ahead. So when you have x, we need to find y, there will be k. So how do we do this? Going back to the original given equation right there. Okay, do you see it right there? Fx is 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. And I will put two times okay. Then let's see. 2 times 9, 4, and it's 2 times 3, right? So we'll make 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4. So here is negative 5, 2, 2, here. Then it's the same as, right? So it will be negative 1 over 2. Yes? So now what do I do? Here, k will be negative. So what's the answer? I'll write it here again. Fx this is the answer. Number 3. So I will give you a second, then you can read the question. So I wrote, kind of summarized here. So the parent function is x squared, and it goes right 3 units translate and up 2 units translate. So find the function and then express as quadratic standard form, right? So probably we need to find vertex form first. What was the vertex form? So we need to find the vertex first, and then we will change to this format, right? This function and this function is the same thing, but they just have a different look. outside look is different, but actually they are same function, right? Okay, so let's figure it out. So it went to right 3 units. Then this is 3, because it says 3, right, and up 2. So if it goes up, plus 2, right? So I will write 2. How do we know the a? Look at the parent function. This is 1 here, right? So we'll have the same 1. It's gotta be 1. So what do? We just don't write anything, because we assume everyone kind of agreed, oh, there is 1. We just assume that's 1. Okay, you don't need to write anything. So now let's change this. This is same as x negative 3, x negative 3 plus 2. I just wrote this squared. Same thing twice, right? That's squared means. So I'll do x times x, then x times negative 3, right? And I'll do this. So it will do negative 3x plus 9 and the plus 2. Then let's see. X squared. I will add this to negative 6x. This will be plus 3. So the answer is this, right? This is the answer.